Hello and welcome to my dining room decor DIY makeover. For this project, I used 10 yards of fabric from the textile discount outlet in Chicago. Total cost was $178. Here is a before picture of the chair and a before of the bench and table. I am removing the staples from the dust cloth on the bottom of the chair cushion. This is going to help me to adhere the fabric properly. I'm just stapling the fabric around with the electric staple gun that I got from Home Depot. It was around $27. Here I have the cushion reupholstered and I use a ton of staples. A little messy, but that's okay. Who gonna be turning over the bottom of somebody's chairs? Now I am doing the top. This was a bit of a challenge, but I'm going to conceal those staples. So I've got the chair all recovered and I'm going to screw it back together. Here's the before of the bench. And you'll see me removing all of the hardware. This was definitely a challenge. I used a Black & Decker power drill. After removing the legs, I begin with the top part of the bench. Stapling and tucking, making sure to get the corners and adding a little of the tufted detail back with the staple gun. And then I just go around the bench, just making sure that I have enough fabric to cover it. Here I'm attempting to put the hardware back on. It was difficult to try to do it by myself, so I got the help of my kids. And here's the finished look. Now this is my favorite part, the before and the after. I love it. I loved how everything came together. The mirrors on the wall made the space feel so much bigger. The beige curtains made it feel so much lighter and brighter. I still have to stain the table, which is a project I'll be working on shortly, but man, changing out the light fixture, it just made this look like a completely different space. And yeah, it took about 5 days to do this, but it was totally worth it. My family helped a lot. My husband put the mirrors on the wall. The kids helped me with unscrewing the chairs and screwing them back together. So I'm so proud of this project. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.